Hi guys, hope all of you are fine. Today we are discussing about very important topic pH and POH, and we are talking about the importance of pH and POH scale and we are discussing about the chemistry behind them. So we are starting with pH and POH. So in this video we are talking about the main difference, the definition and the concepts behind them. So first of all, pH as the negative logarithm of hydroxide ion, the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion H positive concentration of a solution is called pH. So what's about its mathematical form? Here mathematically we are representing pH here as log H positive. So the symbol pH was first defined by a Danish chemist in 1909. He used P means power and H means hydrogen. So this is the basis behind pH. Before moving to POH, we are discussing an important term called autoionization of water. Autoionization. So when a water molecule when water molecule ionizes, so very slightly it converts into ions. This process is called autoionization. I am writing here when a water molecule ionizes very slightly, it converts into an ion. So this is called autoionization. Yani so the scale of pH ranges from 0 to 14. In between this scale we will able to find the pH of chemical or substance, as pH of water is 7. Important. Very important for MCQs, because water is a neutral, which indicates water is neutral. And after this we are moving towards POH of solution. So if I am able to explain the negative logarithm of hydroxide ion, in pH negative logarithm of hydroxide ion, but in pH negative logarithm of hydroxide ion. So this is the basic term. It is the negative logarithm of hydroxide ion. Concentration. So mathematically we are representing here so pH and a sum of POH equal to 14. So in both cases on 7 they are neutral. They are neutral. So it ranges pH and POH ranges from pH and POH ranges from 0 to 14. So if I am draw the table here, twelve, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, oh sorry, and 0. So with the 7 it is called neutral. From this portion is called highly acidic. So those substances, those pH and POH ranges from 0 to 2 and POH ranges from 14 to 12. These are highly acidic. And for slightly acidic, they are ranges from this. Slightly acidic. As well as these are slightly basic. These are slightly basic. And these are highly or more basic. So this is the table, and this table is used in MCQs and in theory. This table is very important. Hope all of you are understand this lecture. And another video I am uploading is related about salts and the properties. So connect with us, like, share this knowledge with your friends and colleagues. So we are meeting in the next video. Thank you so much.